the 1986 Ford F-150 4x4. The old redneck hooter mint and the new redneck hooter mint together. But that's not what I'm only talking about. It's the final product of Wham! The redneck exhaust pipe. Now it has some shades of green. Been doing some touch-ups for the past few days. But here's the inside. All around. Only did spots to where it's seeable. For people that check out. Even spray the redneck exhaust fingers. I like to now officially recall. Here's the rest. Got more side did a spot paint. And that's it. See, I used to have the exhaust when the clothes hanger sticking in this hole, sticking out of here. But now it's since been done because I probably want to put an exhaust tip when I come up with the money. And maybe a glass pack. That's surprising keeping the factory muffler. And in the near future, I'm gonna grab a saw. Cut that hole, cut it to about right here, to where there's going to be no more holes or no more rotten pieces, and feed it back further to where it'll won't have any noise whatsoever coming from there. So, thank you for watching on this update video. And have a good day.